ToxProtect 64 is an automated biomonitoring system for the protection of a drinking water supply against accidental or malicious contamination. The use of fish is a well-established method with sensitivity data on almost every combination of fish and toxin available today. The use of fish gives the closest practical comparison in the expected scenario. The instrument was developed within the Techno project in association with the IGB in Berlin, Germany. The ToxProtect 64 monitors the activity of up to 20 fish by measuring the frequency of interruptions of an array of light barriers. The result is given in interrupts per minute per fish. The ToxProtect 64 is a low-maintenance, low-price instrument which can be installed at various sites within a water supply network. The instrument is started by activating the main power switch on the left of the instrument and the mode selector switch on the front panel. On the right-hand side of the instrument are the sensors, the flow control, and if required, the dechlorination system. There is also a heating element located at the right-hand side of the aquarium. All adjustments, user inputs, and visualized measurements are accessible via the touchscreen in the front panel. There are three main menu points to choose from: Readings, Parameters, and Test. The Readings menu contains the measured values and other detailed information. The Parameters menu shows the settings of the instrument and enables changes if necessary. In the Test menu, it is possible to carry out hardware checks to test the instrument's functionality. The Standby mode is used for checks and maintenance, changes in parameters, and calibration. For example, the sensors for flow rate, temperature, and chlorination should be initially calibrated according to the manual. To recalibrate the temperature, for example, enter the Parameters menu, scroll down to the Calibration menu, and enter the Temperature Calibration menu. Here, the user can recalibrate the two temperature reference points. The Startup mode is used to prepare the instrument for operation. Open the flow control valve and allow the prepared water to enter the aquarium. The fish should be handled as carefully as possible. Transporting the fish, if only for a few meters, should be carried out using buckets or plastic containers. Avoid deviations in temperature. The automatic feeder should also be checked and refilled if necessary. Dismount the front part to refill it as shown. The food has to be of an appropriate size, structure and composition. Granulated dried food of 0.5 to 2 mm in size is recommended. The automatic feeding unit should then be closed and reassembled as shown. Normal working conditions are shown by the green traffic light on the top of the instrument. Due to natural variations in fish behavior, alarm criteria may be reached from time to time simply by accident. To prevent false alarms, the ToxProtect 64 has an alarm verification system. In the event of values falling below a given threshold for a period of time, the instrument automatically initiates the alarm verification process. This is performed by decreasing and then increasing the illumination in the aquarium. Normally, this leads to a dramatic increase in the activity of the fish. Under toxic conditions, however, this may not occur. Thus, the instrument rejects or confirms the alarm automatically. To quick start the instrument, check the necessary hose connections and ensure that there is a free drain. Place the mode switch in the startup position. This will start the instrument without giving toxicity or hardware alarms. The green traffic light on the top of the instrument will then start blinking. Regulate the flow control valve on the right side of the instrument and check whether there is enough food in the automatic feeder. Refill if necessary. Add the fish to the aquarium. Mount the automatic feeder and close the door. Turn the switch to the Run mode. Answer the questions on the display panel and enter the number of fish if necessary. Measurements will now start. The instrument should then not be opened to prevent hardware alarms. To observe the fish, Simply open the glass panel in the front door.